everyone, Neil Carlson here out on Highway 2 by Crookston at 10:20 a.m. We're getting slammed by some high winds moving through town. Just a bit earlier, winds were clocked at 70 miles per hour at the Grand Forks Airport, and reports of trees down and a power line down in Grand Forks, kind of a mess on some of the streets. We'll be showing you that in just a bit. Right now, while it's quieted down in Grand Forks, the high winds are slamming into Crookston, 20 miles east of Grand Forks. Check back around 11. We'll show you some of the storm damage in Grand Forks. Basically, trees down, a power line down, but branches littering a lot of streets after 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Covering the Northern Valley, I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNews.tv.